BoDean 52, how are you, folks? What does some AC/DC, a beautiful day, a leather shop, a dealership stop, and a racetrack have in common? You're going to find out, because that's where I'm going today. You find yourself sometimes cutting down a road or something, see something you think is really cool, stop. It's one of the cool things about motorcycle riding, isn't it? Check out this tank. I thought maybe there was a VFW post somewhere close, but there's a funeral home, so I'm not sure I get that whole deal, but still, nonetheless, super cool. Emil Jacob Post 117, Manchester, Michigan. M60 tank, dedicated to all the men and women of the Manchester area who have served in the armed forces for our country, especially those who pay the ultimate supreme sacrifice. An M60 tank. And I agree with that. Thank you for all that have served and are serving for sure. So this is the Irish Hills area. That is the MIS Camping, Michigan International Speedway Camping that we are coming up on. And if you follow my channel for a couple of years, I've been by here before. And I always thought it would be super cool to ride on the racetrack and the bike. And there it is over there. And I'm pretty sure I can't do that. Even though a couple people have said they thought they had a day where you could actually ride on the track, which would be super cool. I will tell you that, it's interesting. When I grew up, you were either kind of like, I don't know, you were either into race cars or not into race cars. I loved cars, but I never was into racing, right? Or watching racing or races. Hey, you think we can get up here and just get on the track? Come on, nobody's around. Just one car. Just one car. They're probably in the bathroom. They don't know what's going on, right? A couple gates. Michigan International Speedway, MIS. If you're going to hear from me for a while, you'll know that I was arrested. Yeah, man, they got parking all over. It is such an event. And I know we have some old neighbors that used to watch NASCAR a lot. And I thought it was kind of cool. And it was always about the car number. I never got that, right? It's about the car number, not the driver or anything else. And the older I get, the more I seem to think about it. And I want to go to a race. I think that would get me hooked, because I do watch, the Indianapolis 500. I do that, but you got to stop for a picture, don't you? Come on now. Shit, now we got a bikers gang coming up to kick my ass. So anyway, love to hear from the comments. Have you do you watch NASCAR? Did you watch NASCAR when you were a kid? Is it something you got older, you started getting into, or what? Because it's definitely piquing my interest. Now, I would say that years and years ago, I was working out of Pennsylvania. A couple guys that I worked with in the Poconos actually got struck by lightning at the Poconos racetrack at a race, NASCAR race. And one of the guys died. One of the guys is pretty screwed up. And so it always bothered me a little bit. But I need to definitely go to a race, because I think that's so much more than when you're actually just, seeing it on TV. And I got this place right here in my backyard, so, why wouldn't I do it? So let's go leather hunting. Okay, that sounded bad. Well, folks, the older gentleman, nice as heck in JJ Western store, looking at me kind of cross-eyed as I came in filming, so I decided not to do that, but I did get some leather, and I will, if you're on my fans only page, you'll be able to see that at another time. I'm kidding. Well, I guess I have the answer of if there's any motorcycles out today. Holy moly. It is a busy day at Town and Country Sports Center. I like to call it Cement City Harley because that's really what it is in my mind. Well, pretty good day. There's our artesian well, which is always fantastic. Town and Country Sports Center, which to me is Cement City Harley Davidson. It's kind of cool seeing some of those vintage bikes in there. What'd you think? I have not seen those in that dealership. It's usually not my favorite dealership for the gear or bikes, though I did buy my Streetlight Special from them. But it's more the atmosphere. A lot of fellow bikers and artesian well was there. So, leather shop, check. Harley Davidson, check. Michigan International Speedway, check. Listen to some AC/DC, check.
been a pretty good day. 110 miles, it's going to be a round trip. I surely hope your Saturday got some miles for you and or your loved one. But thanks for coming along. This is BoDean 52. I definitely appreciate you. If you're new to the channel and like what you see, check out some of the other videos. I'll leave a couple of my latest videos at the end that you can check out. And if you like it, go ahead and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. And make sure to hit that bell icon. I never say that, and I should, because that'll mean every time that I post a video, there'll be an angel that'll come down. No, really, you'll just get a notification that my video's up. That's all. All right, folks, be safe out there. Hug a loved one. Check on a friend. I gotta go.